if you want security, you need to find the most secure network or the most secure resource on Earth. And it's not gold anymore, and it's not land anymore, and it's not anything that can be created by any human being anymore. It has to be something that is transcending all of those human institutions and all human motivations. In essence, it needs to be a network that runs without human intervention. And that is what Satoshi created when Satoshi created Bitcoin.
The bulls valiantly attempted to drive the price into the symmetrical triangle pattern on May 17th, igniting hopes of an upward surge. However, the resilient bears fiercely guarded their territory, forcing Bitcoin lower on May 18th. The battle for control has sent ripples through the market, leaving BTC price action in a state of destabilization. Hello and welcome to Crypto Street. In this video, we enter the realm of Michael Saylor, a true pioneer who has dedicated himself to unraveling the secrets of Bitcoin's future. Prepare to be enlightened as we delve into his invaluable insights. So let's get started.
Those interested in financial security are going to look for the most secure financial asset in the world, and Bitcoin is the most secure financial asset in the world. So in short, although there are people that can focus on negatives, there's the meltdown of Terra, the meltdown of Luna, the meltdown of Celsius, the meltdown of BlockFi, the failure of Alameda, the failure of FTX, the failure of all the crypto tokens, right? The meltdown and failures of the DeFi exchanges, the meltdown of some crypto exchanges, right? And the skepticism that people are taking with regard to crypto tokens that are stable coins. All of those things, which could be viewed in a negative light, are actually positive for Bitcoin because they're all accelerating the conclusion of the mainstream investor that Bitcoin is special and ethically sound, technically sound, and economically sound. And it's accelerating the understanding of the technology community that Bitcoin is the world's most secure database and the world's most secure network, and maybe in that way the most promising crypto network in the world. And it was a very expensive marketing campaign to convince people in Congress and the Senate, the regulators, and the media that Bitcoin is the world's #1 crypto network. But Bitcoin is also the world's most promising new asset class. But if anything today, if you look at all the utterances of the lawyers, all of the talk on Capitol Hill, if you look at all the regulatory publications, if you look at the mainstream media coverage, what's pretty clear is that the consensus today is Bitcoin is an asset, Bitcoin is special, Bitcoin is a commodity, Bitcoin is without an issuer. Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin is the future.
All eyes are on Fed Chair Jerome Powell, eagerly anticipating hints of policy change. As Wall Street opened on May 19th, Bitcoin surged to $27,000, influenced by Chair Powell's remarks. The market is captivated, awaiting clues that could shape the future. Chair Powell addressed the Thomas Laubach Research Conference, expressing insights on financial stability and credit conditions impacting economic growth, hiring, and inflation. Bitcoin's sensitivity to rate hike expectations is evident with ongoing discussions at the conference. A snapshot of the Binance BTC USD order book revealed limited support above $26,000. Stay tuned as this pivotal moment unfolds. Remember, the future is ours to shape, and with each passing moment, new opportunities emerge. So let's stay connected, fueled by our passion for innovation and curiosity for what lies ahead. Together, we'll unlock the doors to unimaginable possibilities.
You know, today, if with 140,000 Bitcoin, when Bitcoin moves $1,000, we have $140 million of investment appreciation, which is equivalent to 3 years of after-tax cash flow of 2,000 people working as hard as they can. And so we have managed to fix the business with Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is going to be the last crypto asset standing in the US, and it's going to be the winner. And they're going to, right now, they're looking at this confusing situation. A year ago, it wasn't clear whether Terra or Luna or this yo-yo coin or that thing was the winner. And a lot of people didn't even know the difference between Bitcoin and crypto. And I think right now, there's a very expensive campaign being driven by the world to illustrate the difference between Bitcoin and crypto. 12 months from now, I think that most mainstream investors will have seen that Bitcoin is here and embraced, and a lot of the other things that were confusing, that had bad reputation, have been diminuted, or exited the market. So I think the emergence of Bitcoin as the king crypto commodity, I think will also cause the acceleration of institutional investors and also the acceleration of corporate adoption. Oh, and the third thing, I really should say this, right? The first is the accounting, the second is the asset designation, and the third is the emergence of Bitcoin applications on the layer 2s and the layer 3s, the Lightning applications, even all cybersecurity applications, national security applications, and payment applications. All of those are attracting a new class of technology investors. They know how to buy Google, they know how to buy Facebook and Apple. They see Bitcoin as the emergent technology network and the most secure database and the most secure network. You're going to want to own a piece of that if you're a technology investor. And I think that will open the way for lots of corporate adoption.
As we eagerly await the words of Fed Chair Jerome Powell, the excitement in the market continues to grow. Liquidity is gradually accumulating around the spot price of approximately $27,300, indicating potential market movements. In the midst of this anticipation, Material Indicators provides us with an intriguing glimpse into the Bitcoin order book on Binance just before Chair Powell's speech. Brace yourselves, folks, because his words have the power to ignite significant shifts in both traditional finance and the crypto markets. Stay tuned for the latest updates and get ready for a thrilling ride. We value your opinion and want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Where do you think Bitcoin is headed? We can't wait to read your insights, and don't forget to show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel.